finally, Louis Menard holds Tiger career Division I records in games played with 64. He has 37 career wins and 1,588 saves. He is a remarkable 33-7-7 in Atlantic hockey contests over his career, with a 2.21 goals against average and a .920 save percentage. In 2006-07, Menard was named the Atlantic Hockey Regular Season Goaltender of the Year, finishing 11-0 with a .930 save percentage in conference play. He also earned AAHA third-team honors and was named to the All-Rookie team that season. Last season, Menard started 33 games and recorded an 8-game unbeaten streak en route to an 18-10-5 mark. This season, Menard is 8-1-2 in Atlantic hockey contests. Menard, a native of Chicoutimi, Quebec, will graduate in May with a degree in marketing. He is the son of Louis Menard and Lise Prive. Ladies and gentlemen, number 30, Louis Menard.